You can have a marketable web or mobile app in 6 weeks too. Here is how we do it.
One of the great things of working with Opzoom is that being able to tweak as we go is invaluable, and it's not something I found with any of the others that we spoke to.
To avoid ugly apps and nasty surprises, we get a designer to design the app. To code the app that runs on iOS, Android or the browser, we get a Flutter or React front-end developer. Apps communicate with a server. We get a DevOps engineer to maintain it. This server's code is written by a backend engineer, typically in Node.js. To avoid data loss when your database crashes, we get a database engineer to back the database up periodically. Developers are horrible at testing their code, so we define a testing process and get a professional tester to execute it. To prevent bottlenecks in app development, a team manager tracks the progress and hires or replaces team members when necessary. Opzoom creates web and mobile apps like these in about 6 weeks. For immediate attention, schedule a call at the link in the comments below. To learn to create and market web or mobile apps, get invited to a free course when you subscribe to this channel.